Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Mina. For today's video, I will be basically showing you guys how to do this easy applying lashes for beginners. And all you need is a black eyeshadow, and I know there's a green one, but we'll be using the black eyeshadow, and a tweezer, and Revlon liquid, any liquid liner, but I'm using the Revlon brush to apply your black eyeshadow, and glue, any kind of glue, but I will definitely suggest this for beginners because it is in black color and it does dry in your eyelids just like a liquid liner. And this is a regular glue, but I'll be using the regular glue for today. So let's go ahead and get this video started. First, I line my bottom lids, line under your eyelids. I did put the black eyeliner, eyeshadow. I did put the black eyeshadow on my upper lids. Next, we'll be using this Revlon liquid liner, and this is in color of Blackest to Black. And what I usually like to do is put a very thin layer, so that way your falsies will look real. Once your liquid liner dries, the next step is preparing your eyelashes. And for my eyelashes, I will be using just the regular lashes, which is in Brand Kiss number 09. And usually what I like to do is, once I'm done for the day using it, and like if there's nothing wrong with it or if I didn't cry, I usually put them back in here in like a little lash container, and like and then what you can do is basically reuse it again. And yeah, so that way you save money and save your lashes. I recommend you using the red one, which is gonna be black. And so far I love using this one. That's because sometimes when I forget to put the liquid liner, that glue really helps it to make it look like, you know, I have liquid liner. But for today's video, I will be using this since I do have my liquid liner on already. Hack to my lashes of how I make them actually look real, falsies ones to look real, is this tweezers. Honestly, like nothing's better than these kind of tweezers, the metal kind. Now this lashes does come with the tweezers, but I don't like using this because they're thick and they're like plastic material, and I don't want that because it doesn't really help me. We'll go ahead and apply this on, and you don't have to close your eyes if you're putting it on yourself, and just like that. That's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and see you guys next time. Bye!